In what ways, Chief Filani, would you say the recent EndSARS protest has affected the popularity of the YPP?
Well, I'm very happy for that question. You see, the last EndSARS, the first EndSARS, and you see that the youths, they meant well, but the hoodlums along the way hijacked the whole thing. The original organizers of the first EndSARS, they were youths, young, determined boys and girls, without any violence in mind. Now, what I am saying is that it's so coincidental. YPP has nothing to do with the EndSARS protest. We are not even encouraging them. They are calling for the government to address 5 main issues. And you look at it, has the federal government addressed anything? It's left to individual to judge. I'm saying this issue is not about, oh, you are my brother, you are my dear. It's about genuine change. And that is what they are clamoring for. YPP came, has nothing to do with EndSARS. It's so coincidental. It's just very coincidental. But having said that, YPP does not encourage any violence. Neither do we encourage the EndSARS protesters. Don't forget, the federal government said, who are your leaders? And the young boys say, we have no leaders. And you keep on, why are they asking, who are your leaders? Maybe to, you know the system in Nigeria. And they said no leaders. Even some artists, prominent citizens, were driven back in the protest in Abuja. When they want to join, they said, no, please go away. Don't just leave us there. This is a time that Jews will stand up and say enough is enough.
Mr. Daramola, EndSARS second phase, what's your position? What's your advice?
Yeah, I think we don't need any other violence or any other protest in Nigeria today. All we need is to go back, sit down, and be ready to vote these people out. We have to change all these people. Can you imagine the government has, so this present administration, APC, PDP, whatever, they have actually failed this country.
Yes.
See, the money they used to build the Ekiti State Government House in Ado Ekiti is enough to build a cassava processing company in Ekiti State. But they use that money to be where a family will be sleeping, billions of naira. So are they serving people? APC, the slogan is APC change. What have they changed? Changing from bad to worse. PDP power. Power to the...
To do it.
Father power to the people. Is it power to the people? It is power to them. So we don't want all those again. What we want now is service to the people.
YPP service to the people.
Served. We want people to be represented. We want people that will have the interests of people at heart. It is not, look at the legislators. They are going there to make millions. They are not there to make any positive impact on the lives of people. All they go there is to just sit down and make money. Look at their wages. Is that why they are there? They have not done anything positive. So what we are talking about now is we want a change from bad governance to good governance. We want a change from the old ways to a new ways. Even look at the spiritual settings. There was Old Testament and a New Testament. Nigeria now is going to the New Testament. And the New Testament is always better than the Old Testament because New Testament is full of good news. So by 2022 in Ekiti State, there will be good news. By 2023 in Nigeria, there will be good news. Look, my brother, we don't need to go and be borrowing money to maintain this country. Nigeria can fill the whole world. Look at China. It's because they have good government. There's nobody in this country that does not want change today. Everybody wants a very new set of people to govern them. People with another mindset, not that kind of mindset. But what you can do is to give them jobs. When everybody is busy, nobody will run after anybody. When everybody has something, a means of livelihood, nobody will want to steal from others. So what we are talking about now is that people should go back home. Forget about riots, forget about protests. Go and register and vote them out. It is ballot revolution.
Now, Chief Filani,
Yes.
in your membership drive for the YPP, how do you see the function of funding? Now, the youths have no money. At the same time, the old parties that you're trying to take the youths from have the money. They use these youths as thugs. They give them money. Some of them have almost become an army. How will this affect the membership drive for the YPP?
Thank you very much. Policies in Nigeria cannot be debated. You cannot separate money from it. Money is important, but it's not the primary thing. The primary motive is your voting power. You collect the money, you don't vote for them. Even in those days in the 60s, Owomilari or Renumi, let them bring the money. YPP has no money. We are not even advocating these money bags. This is the time that your conscience will tell you. At the moment, for your information, we have a sitting senator of YPP at the National Assembly. Come 2021, we are going to have a governorship candidate under YPP in Anambra State. And come 2022, in Ekiti State, a leader will emerge. That leader has no money. Yes, agreed. To your question, how do we merge it with the membership drive? Conviction of the people. You give me money today, are you going to give me tomorrow? Those palliatives they were distributing, has it not finished? Are they continuing with the palliatives? And you find out that youths are ready. They have that voting power. That voting power to say, yes, we don't have money, but my power is my PVC, which I will use to vote you out, regardless of the money bags or whatever. You take their money. We don't have any money to spend, to do anything, but we are actually convincing your mind to say that, no, we don't want money politics in Nigeria.
Prophet Timothy, níbo ni YPP ti fẹ́ rówó fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ yìí?
Ṣé ìbéèrè ńlá ni. Jésù ní kò sí jagunjagun kan tó fẹ́ lọ ja orílẹ̀-èdè kan lógun tí ò ní ṣírò iye ọmọ ogun tó ń ní sí iye ọmọ ogun tí orílẹ̀-èdè tó ń fẹ́ lọ bá jagun ní láti múra dáadáa. Ènìyàn wà, èrò dẹ̀ wà. Àwọn ẹni bí ohun tí chairman mi sọ, we will discover them. Men will surely be discovered out of boys. They will be separated. We will fetch them out. Ogun tó ń jà tí Nàìjíríà fúnra ẹ̀ fi ń jà àwọn Nàìjíríà ojú ogun ìdílé. Tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́mi ń ṣòfò. Ṣé rí owó gbogbo àwọn tí à ń fi sí àwọn ojúṣe láti máa ṣiṣẹ́ ibi tí nǹkan tó ti máa yàtọ̀ nìyẹn. Oníkálùkù ló níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ láti máa finance gbogbo movement yẹn. So kò jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ owó yẹn kó jẹ́ priority àbí money hunger àbí pé tipátipá láti má ṣòótọ́ láti local level, state level, the national level, oníkálùkù ló níṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe tó fi ń finance. Ìdí ni pé Bíbélì sọ pé onítálákà kò lè tán ní ilẹ̀ náà. So àwọn kankan máa wà tó jẹ́ pé bí ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ṣe ń lọ tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò ní agbára bá náà ṣe rí bí nǹkan ṣe rí. So a máa bomi tútù sí wọn títí tó gbogbo a fi dúró tá a fi ní agbára ohun tó yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe à lè ṣe é fún ní káàkiri pé wọ́n máa pínwó náà káàkiri ṣùgbọ́n tí nǹkan bá dẹ̀rùn generally tójò bá rọ̀ bọ́lọ́run bá dọ̀rí ọ̀fẹ́ sílẹ̀ ó máa ń kárí òjò àrọ̀ sóko èèyàn búburú àrọ̀ sóko èèyàn rere irúgbìn á dẹ̀ dàgbà. So we are for everybody. when they come kò sí gbogbo èèyàn la nílò a nílò èèyàn rere a nílò èèyàn búburú lọ́jọ́ tiẹ̀ torí wèrè ta ní ti ilé ṣe ń wà so gbogbo ènìyàn la nílò dé oníkálukú ní ààyè ẹlẹ́lòmíì ó ń ṣèkà kò wú ṣe bí ohun tí mo sọ ṣáájú ṣùgbọ́n owó ìgbéyàwó tó wọn ti jẹun lélẹ́yìn ó wù ẹlòmínà ó máa wò kán máa pè ní pásítọ̀ ìwà ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀hún yóò ṣe ayẹyẹ apáhùn ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ at least a ní láti ran ara wa lọ́wọ́ dé ìkóríta ìyí lọ́kàn padà ó kì í sìn nínú àwọn míì tó bá rí mẹ́sẹ̀jì wa àbí tó ń ra tọ́gbọ́ báyìí tóun náà tó ń fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè pé enough is enough ohun tó ní kálukú ní ló ṣe kí ni ló ń lò láti bẹ̀ sí move ìdí ni pé we are making the sacrifice for others wọ́n lè má tí ì rí ń sìn pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ìjọba tó wà ní ìjọba lé ní wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ dáadáa nígbà tó fẹ́ wọlé náà ó jẹ́ kẹ́nìkan béèrè lọ́wọ́ lọ́jọ́ kan pé ṣé kìí ṣe bí àwọn kan báyìí ṣe bá wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ṣe nígbà báyìí bá wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ṣe bá nígbà yìí òun náà ló ti mọ̀ sáyé pé Sátánì náà ó máa ń yíra padà sí áńgẹ́lì ìmọ́lẹ̀ láti tàn èèyàn jẹ wọ́n wo táwọn èèyàn nílò ṣùgbọ́n olè ni wọ́n Jésù ṣàlàyé pé olùṣọ́ àgùntàn rere dóná a kìí ṣe Jésù mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ pé kìí ṣe bóyá nínú ìjọ àbí nínú mùsùlùmí nìkan ni àwọn èèyàn rere wà ó wà ní ti ohun táwọn pèlè èèyàn rere kò dìgbà téèyàn di pásítọ̀ àìmọye pásítọ̀ tó ń pààyàn tó ń rí èèyàn mọ́lẹ̀ tó ń ṣoríṣiríṣi àbí wòlíì àbí àfáà so ènìyàn wà ní ibi gbogbo ènìyàn rere dẹ̀ wà níbi gbogbo so àwọn ènìyàn rere máa jáde wá pẹ̀lú oore ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run a ti béèrè fún àwọn àmì tọ́lọ́run dẹ̀ ti fi hàn Ọlọ́run á gbé àwọn èèyàn rere dìde mo fẹ́ sọ fún wa pé kì í ṣe wọn tó wà ní APC lèèyàn burúkú ṣe wọn tó wà ní PDP ṣe bí nínú APC ni bàbá ti jáde báyìí àwọn èèyàn rere náà wà ń bẹ̀ they will come to us tó yẹ pé ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn kò tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ bíi pàdípàdí àbí nǹkan kan àbí family issues tí wọ́n máa fà wọn lọ́tún lọ́sì bí ẹ̀gún tó fẹ́ fún èrò wọn pa ṣùgbọ́n tó bá dà àwọn kan tó dúró tán survive tán ṣubú tó dẹ̀ motive bó máa dára kán tètè wá ń sìn kó tó pẹ́ kó má di pé ẹ̀yìn náà máa wà.
Chief Fulani, how far and how soon would you expect the YPP to make its impact in the political space in Ekiti State?
Yes, thank you very much. I think the advocacy is ongoing at the moment, and we are monitoring the progress, the process. At the moment, we are sensitizing the youths to tell them the reason why they should join YPP. YPP is a party for the youths, for the young people, for people who really need that change. People who are not happy with PDP, who are not happy with APC, YPP is the alternative party. That alternative party will give succumb to most of the agitations facing Ekiti people. An average Ekiti person today, and I have out my statistics, we are not happy. But they may show the happiness on their face, or they may tell people, yes, it's politics. But deep down, they are not happy. Look at the unemployment rate. I was looking at statistics about 2 days ago. In Ekiti, where the unemployment rate among the youth is 18.73. 18.73 in Ekiti State. And this is a statistics from the NBC, National Bureau of Statistics. 18.73 unemployment rate in Ekiti State. Compare, Lagos State has about 10.75 or so. But that one is Lagos. The one that is bothering me is that of Ekiti. A graduate 10 years ago still doing Okada riders. I weep. I grew up, my secondary, my tertiary education, and I worked for almost 40 years in London, UK. And I know that is the system that works, democracy that works. Unfortunately, my country, are we proud of this democracy? No. I say big no. We are not practicing democracy. I've lived in that environment where democracy works. And comparing that democracy with Nigeria, I shake my head. I'm not happy with the way things are going. And the only way you can do is align yourself with the party, make sure that what you are advocating for is embedded in the policy and constitution of that party, and then continue to campaign for that. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And I know that by the special grace of God, YPP will surprise Nigerians at the next election.
People of the Fountain.